How to screen record on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can screen record on iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to screen record on iPhone, all you have to do is first of all open up settings. We have to add screen recording to our control panel, right? So go to control center and make sure that screen recording is included over here, because if it is included here only, it will show up over here, and if I remove it from control panel and tap on remove, it will not show the screen recording icon. So just scroll down and make sure that you've actually added screen recording to your control panel over here, as you can see. And basically, now that you've actually added screen recording, you can also drag and drop this to any part of the screens as you actually wish. Once you've done that, in order to begin our recording, right, all you have to do is just swipe down to your control panel settings. Before we record, there are a couple of tips I want to give you. That is just simply long press on it. If you want to record your microphone, also make sure to turn on microphone over here, because you can see if this is not turned on, you will not be able to record your microphone, right? So just make sure this is turned on. Now tap on start recording, and your recording will begin along with the timer. And now our screen is actually currently being recorded. If you go ahead and show you will see the red icon depending upon whether you're using which version of iPhone. To pause this recording, all you need to do is just tap on this recording, and the screen recording is going to get paused. As you can see, you'll see the 8 icon over here constantly in same format. And basically, if you want to actually unpause it again, just go ahead and then actually tap on this option, and then you'll basically begin recording after you just quickly exit out of the dynamic island. And that is it on how you can actually screen record on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.